Oh, I get asked about this a lot. So I've actually had this done down in Las Vegas. I don't think we can legally do this in Canada. Conceptually, that little balloon goes up your nose, it gets inflated, and it does help create more space in the sinuses. I honestly, I don't know enough to tell you how valid this is. Like, it's not something that comes up in school, and you would have to take a lot of additional training. I will tell you, I got a good nosebleed, and honestly, probably breathed better for the next month than I have in a long time. I may have some actual sinus issues myself, as it turns out.